Hey guys, got our breakfast of champions here, Stewart's, and we are early in the morning, getting ready to go, can't even talk, to look at some other vehicle. And you can guess now, it's probably more of a toy, again, because, you know, we need more toys. So, 2 and a 20-minute drive maybe, I think, to Connecticut, and take a look and see if we like it enough to buy it. Bruh. Got him!
I'm gonna regret selling that thing.
Well, like $200 almost later.
No, over 200. Because the first one was 111. That's 97. So, wait. No, 208 bucks. Sorry. Oh.
First start up on the road. Just got some gas in it. I've driven like 2 miles. There's no way it's dropped a quarter of a tank. I haven't gone anywhere. I don't believe it. Tow rig, the black Mustang, the black Saab, drift cars at the shop. So, what I get? 2 days of driving it around. Is it bigger or smaller than the van? Bigger. It's really dirty because it just rained and I drove it. Because, you know, F-550s are grocery getters. It's too big of a vehicle, so I had to get commercial insurance, which cost, right now, $2,200 plus a year to insure this thing. Plus, over $200 to top off the fuel tanks that already had fuel in them. Plus, price of the truck, you want to give it a guess, for a clean truck. Practically new tires, and I guess the truck's name is ridiculous. So, and what is up? All the vehicles I buy only have one rain guard. Don't know what it is, but I really like these mirrors. It's so much better than the rounded mirrors. Has a light bar in the front. It's a 2000 Ford F-550 Super Duty Crew Cab Centurion Western Hauler Super Hauler, it says on the side of the truck. 167,603 miles. I was noticing I need one of these glasses there, but I've like cleaned the interior. Like I've cleaned this stuff. I cleaned the inside. I haven't done anything with the carpets. That fork is going to work. But the wood's a little faded. There's mileage. Try to clean up the stuff on the dash. I took out the floor mats just so it's like stock, you know. But like, you know, cleaned up those. I was going into detail if there was like a little dot of dirt. I was cleaning it off. Clean the lenses out. Any part of any piece of plastic that I could find, you know, make sure like clean that off, clean those, you know, wherever there was plastic, I went around and cleaned. It's pretty nice. Steering wheel's a little off and it pulls to the right. So something to take a look at, but I'm gonna probably shampoo all the, you know, seats. So really nice though. I locked it. The locks also don't work. Like, it sounds like they work, but they don't go up and down. See, like I cleaned all throughout the truck. There might have been something here on all the doors. There's like double-sided tape that was like stuck down that I had to like use my nail and scratch up. Like someone might have taken off some, you know, fake wood or real wood, whatever it is. You know, I cleaned in here, cleaned all this stuff, you know, making it really nice. The seat folds forward, and I got some tools in the back because I'm gonna try and fix that, fix this. Just barely make it off. That's cool. It just pooped out on me. That was cool.